Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Welcome back to my channel. So as you've seen, I've been a little bit gone, and the reason why is ta-da! Because we got a new studio and it's now functionable. So I'm waiting for a client to do some pictures here. We have a bunch of different areas. That doesn't look that way usually, but it looks pretty cute right now. We're doing spring mini sessions, and this is my office here. And waiting area, you can hear the, oops, here's our waiting area. It's not really big on that part, but everything else is. And then we have some other cute areas at this studio now. We have a bathroom with a bathtub where we can make some sessions happen. And then we have this area, which I really like, and I'm still decorating. I'm still like working on things. And then we have a specific area for newborns. It's a bedroom that we have. Let me turn on the light. It's not completely finished yet, but here is our newborn area, beanbag, and then we have a closet with props and everything. So I am super excited. This has been something that I did not expect it to happen so fast. It was in the back of my head, but it was not something I was planning on doing. So I will show you some sessions I have in here already and some pictures. And the main reason why I got this studio is because it has a lot of windows, natural light, and then it's way bigger than where we were. It's a whole house that we have for us. The area is way better because you can see there's cars coming by all the time. So we're no longer in a basement area, which we are grateful for, because honestly, I am so grateful for the studio I had. So here we have parking in the back, which it helps us a lot because before we didn't have parking area. And here I can display way better my stuff than where I was. So I am super excited, and we're right now working on putting a big outdoor sign, and I will show you guys as soon as the sign is up. But I feel like a lot of things, new energy are happening here, and I'm so grateful for it. So yeah, this is my studio. Hope you like it. Normally I don't do Sunday sessions, but today it wasn't that windy, and now it got all windy, and I decided to do some pictures for my kids. So I can't wait to show you guys how they turn out. But the scenery is actually pretty cute. So today was an adventure, because usually we don't do pictures on Sunday, but I try to do some pictures with my kids because I usually don't have time to do theirs. So we decided to do them, and we did. It is cold right now. It got really windy and cold, so we'll see what we got.